Hello, in this video I'm going to give you the answer for this question, and the question is, which musical frontman attended the London School of Economics? Well, I'll give you a list of the option, and here is the list of the option. The very first option is David Bowie, second option is Mick Jagger, the third option is Paul McCartney, and the very last option is Bruce Springsteen, and the correct answer for the question is Mick Jagger. And here is the reason why Mick Jagger is the correct answer for the question. Mick Jagger, the frontman of Rolling Stones, is a musical artist who attended the London School of Economics. Not David Bowie, not Paul McCartney, nor Bruce Springsteen. Jagger briefly studied at London School of Economics before pursuing his music career with the Rolling Stones. While David Bowie, Paul McCartney, and Bruce Springsteen are iconic musicians in their own right, it was Mick Jagger who had a stint at the prestigious London School of Economics, showcasing a diverse range of interests and experiences beyond his legendary music career. So that is correct answer for the question, Mick Jagger. That's the correct answer for the question. Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Please this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others, right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these three dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.